I gave 4 set of overlapping of orbitals. In which of the following does the overlapping of two atomic orbitals give a non-bonding interactions? These two lobes are convex to each other. These two lobes are what? Convex to each other. So that is the reason why it forms which one? A bonding molecular orbital. It is also which one? A bonding molecular orbitals, but here is what? One positive and one negative lobe, both are interacted to each other to form which bond? sp bonding molecular orbital, but it is which one? Anti-bonding, but there is no overlapping of these. So that is the reason why this is the answer. Overlapping is not possible. So that overlapping is known as what? Zero overlapping. It never give bond formation. It never give which one? Bond formation. Which has maximum covalent character. Which has maximum covalent character. Better airport. Here is also negative. Okay. So it forms a bonding. It forms bonding. It also forms which one? A bonding. It never forms which one? Zero overlapping. So therefore that is the answer. Which has maximum covalent character. Now when we observe the ions of these, Na plus, magnesium plus 2, Al plus 3, silicon plus 4. So when charge of cation increases, polarizability decreases. Which decreases? According to Fazan's rule, earlier I was discussed. When charge of cation increases, polarizability what happened? Increases. When polarizability increases, which one? Covalent character increases. Okay, this is the order of which one? Polarizing. Order of which one? Polarizability. Or polarizing power decreases. Okay, so this one has high polarizing power compared to this one. So here is which one? Polarizability increases. Polarizability order. So therefore when polarizability increases, what happened? Covalent character increases. So therefore which has maximum covalent character. So therefore the maximum covalent character present in which one? Silicon plus 4 when compared to aluminium, this one. So therefore the order of covalent character according to Fazan's rule, order of covalent character or covalent nature of this particular species is, which one is more covalent? B after which one is more covalent? C is more covalent. C after which one is more covalent? A after which one? D is the highly ionic, or ionic percentage is what happened? Increase. So generally, so we will discuss this type of examples in where, okay, chemical bonding.